Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I like styling my hair, but when I'm in a rush in the morning, I am all about saving time. So JINRI Pro has really helped me to do that with their hot air brush. It has so many nice features to work with. Like, for example, it has the extra long cord. It also spins around in circles whenever you're doing your hair, so that way you don't have to worry about it getting tied up in knots. It has the nice safety feature that you don't have to worry about when it's plugged in. The bristles are really nice and soft to work with. They grab nicely in the hair, but they also are soft. And just listen to the power that it has. So after getting out of the shower and getting ready in the morning, I started with towel dried hair. So they recommend to towel dry it first so it's not soaking wet. And from start to finish, it only took me a total of 8 minutes to finish drying my hair. And I really feel like it dried not only faster, but that it felt healthier, softer, and silkier, but yet at the same time, it was giving my hair volume. And what I like best of all was that after I got done, my hair was pretty much already straight, so I barely had to touch it up at all with a flat iron. This hot air brush is small, but powerful, and I definitely recommend it. And that is just my point of view.